I think it's lunchtime, and I'm hungry for a meal. Week-old Chinese food. That's what we really got for you. Boom! AC Flex Lights. And what else? What else? What else? Maybe a set of JL mounts? How about some TJ mounts? JK mounts? How about some Dana 60 high steer mounts? Here's what you gotta do to win. Let's check it out. Go to gatekeeperoffroad.com. Pick up a t-shirt. You can get a hat, Gatekeeper Off-Road face mask. You can even just get a sticker. Go to gatekeeperoffroad.com if you want the KC Flex Lights and Gatekeeper Off-Road mounts. You don't have to just buy this stuff. Anything on the website, any purchase will get you an entry. gatekeeperoffroad.com.